Horses out, yeah, Pegasus. Pass to begin, moving up, shot up on the outside, Hockey Hawk, Orient Pearl. Down on the inside, Beautiful Miss, Sanji Red, Rising, Majestic Queen. Because of you, Archangel, Angelic Boy, Starter ka. Twining Honor and Flowing Cash is the early trailer. Pegasus goes on by about 4 lengths. And in second is Beautiful Miss. Hockey Hawk is racing in third. Shut up in fourth alongside Pip Angie Red. Orient Pearl is down in 6. 7 comes Devil Rising. Because of you, Archangel, Majestic Queen, Angelic Boy, Starter ka. Flowing Cash and Twining Honor. And it's still Pegasus by Oralenka. Coming closer now is Beautiful Mesa. 5 lengths away in third. Shut up. Hockey Hawk in fourth. Angela in Pipa. Then Perla. And it's still Pegasus by Oralenka and Hapa. Beautiful Miss remains in second. And in third. Shut up. Hockey Hawk. Angie Red as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Pegasus. Shut up. Is on the outside. Pegasus, shut up. Is on the outside. Pegasus, shut up. It's now shut up over Pegasus, Hockey Hawk. And finally, shut up. Pegasus, Hockey Hawk. Then comes Beautiful Miss, Angie Red, and Orient Pearl.
Ayun.